Well, happy first day of spring in northwest Montana. I figured I'd come check out the garden areas. We have a few we'll check on. Birds are chirping. Temps are about 54 degrees right now. Rosemary looks alright. The rooster's hollering. If you didn't see that short from yesterday, check that out. We have some damage. But I think we're expanding. Food forest is a little muddy. We'll see what comes back, what doesn't. Get it all fixed. Let's see what everything else looks like. Got some work to do in the greenhouse. I'll show you guys what we're going to use to get all this dirt stirred up. We'll probably get some earthworms and throw in here. I do have to decide what's going in each trough. I like to change it up. Different nutrients, different plants. Yeah. Get some weeds out. Nice. We'll get it. Gotta clean out this little area, but that's our sage plant. It comes back every year as well. We'll get all this cleaned up. These are a bunch of mint plants that I just had in containers, and we will see what comes back, what doesn't. Another peppermint. We have raspberry. We have a little bit of snow. That's why the food forest got moved. That is a thimbleberry bush. We'll see what happens with that, I believe. Elderberry. This is where the rhubarb comes back every year. We got strawberry corner. Oh, tree. This is where I'm overwintering onions. We got some sprouts, guys. We overwintering onions. Some more over here. Awesome. Hopefully the little cage prevents any birds or squirrels from messing with it. The roosters are funny. Couple of blueberry plants. Like I said, the berries need to go to the food forest. It's too cold. Raspberries. We'll see what comes back and what doesn't, guys. I got some cleanup work to do. The birds sound beautiful this morning. So, in the middle of that pine straw is one of the lemon balm plants. A little sign. That's our better one. Looks like we're coming back. We'll see. We had all that snow, like 8 to 10 inches on our live Sunday. 5 days later, we're hitting 64 degrees today. So I'm sure the plants are in shock. Going down Medicine Hill, you guys have heard me talk about that. So we have our lemon balm. And now you're looking at the peppermint. It will get spread. Walk down a little further. See what comes back here, but this is ginger mint. And then we have this area. I think I did feverfew. Not sure if it's going to come back. I'm highly doubting it. And then we had some strawberries and mullein. I believe they were second-year mullein plants. So I need to get another perennial herb like the lemon balm and peppermint and ginger mint to go at the bottom of Medicine Hill. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Happy first day of spring. Be sure to like and subscribe and join us for more outdoor adventures. We get to play in the dirt soon. Have a great day, guys. Love you all.